Hi, I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, here's the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos in this gallery link on this link and your contact details on this link together with the map on the side. Yeah, if you have any other services that you're offering, we can also add it here on this link and about the company or your company profile on this link. Yeah, if this website is good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I'm working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon.